Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about mail security tips and tricks. There is an important email that I'm going to give you as an example right here in this video. And if you have something similar or you receive a similar mail like this in your Gmail account, all you have to do is to simply delete them immediately because they are a phishing mail, and what they want to do is to simply hack your Gmail. You need to be very much careful about this in your Gmail account. You can do this on your PC or on your phone, whether Android phone or iPhone. Just want to make sure you stay very careful out there. Let me show you how. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chrome browser, and then go ahead and make sure you log into your Chrome browser and click on your Gmail right here. So like I said, I have a particular mail that I want to use as an example right here. Now, recently, someone reached out to me on my mail right here, and I decided to make a video about it. And this is the contact list right here, Holy Land. Okay, so I'm going to click on the content of the mail. Then I'm going to point out some things right here. Okay, now this is the content of the mail right here. Hi, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. I really love what you are doing on your channel, from showing viewers how to reset default apps on Windows and to the handy tips on finding copyright-free image. That your content is so practically and clear, help a lot of people, especially with guide like FGN Youth Credit Loan, Walkthrough, and free Nigerian newspaper access, etc. Now, this mail content here is an AI generated mails. Okay. Now, one thing here is that if you receive any mail like this, and take a look at their mail signature, that's the first thing you need to do. If you come to mail signature, you cannot see anything that identify them as a brand. It is a phishing mail. Don't just reply such a mail. Just ignore them and delete them instantly. That's the first thing you need to do. Because for every brand that want to give you a sponsorship deal, they must come with their brand identity mail or brand identity email signature. So make sure you take note of that. Then another thing you need to check on here is that you have to make sure you check on the sender ID. How can you check sender ID? Come to the top of the mail right here, click on to me right here, then you have sender ID right here. So the sender ID need to end with @.co or whatever their URL is. Just highlight this way, right click on it, and then you can simply ask Gemini to say something about this particular domain right here. Click on Ask Gemini, and in a few seconds, you're going to see result of whatever Gemini have to say about them in the sidebar right here. Just like so. So I'm going to simply click on Start Chat right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to simply hit enter right here. I will just say, can you please tell me if this web site is genuine? Then I'll go ahead and hit enter. Let's see what Gemini has to say about them right here. Just like so. Now you can see what Gemini have to say about it right here. You can see Gemini is telling me here that based on the email visible on your screen, this outreach should be treated with cautions. While it may be an automated third-party lead agency, it displays several key red flags common to creator sponsorship scams. You can see right here. You can scroll down and read detail about them right here. Now, one thing I want you to note right here, this is the sender right here. They have another sender here, and this sender here, legitimate brand representative or official agency, will usually communicate from official corporate domain name, not this, like I explained in the beginning. Then automated scrap intro, just like this, from the body of the mail. then scroll down and check on the details about them right here. And if you have something like this, there is no need for you to doubt any longer. The best way to do is to go ahead and simply delete the mail or report the mail. For you to report, click on these three dots right here, and then you want to make sure you click on report phishing. Reporting phishing message, go ahead and click on report, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to be safe and secure your different Google accounts, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.